Welcome back, Crammers, to question 1. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. So here I have a hundreds. Here I have a tens. Here I have a hundreds again. Here I have a ones. Here I have a hundreds again. So let's start off with one digit. So 7. Next up, I can see here we have the tens. So we write here 58. Then we have three values that have three integers each. Let's first look at the 100s value. So here we have 2, here we have 1, and here we have 1. Now these two have 1, so let's look at the next value, which is the tens. And I can see here that 2 is less than 8. So I'll write here 128. I write 180. And finally, the last value is 202. Question B. Write these numbers in order of size. Start with the smallest number. First off, I can see a lot of decimal values, so let's format them all. Here, there are three values behind the decimal, so let's change that. Here we have one value, so let's add some zeros. Here we only have two, so let's add a zero. This is fine. Here we have two values, so we'll write 1, 0. Now that they're all formatted, we can finally see that the smallest is 0.015. Moving on, the next value is 0.15, then 0.155, then we have 1.15, and finally 1.5. C. Write in figures the number 5,203. So when dealing with figures, we simply have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's start from right to left. What's given? We're given 3, so we'll write here 3. Tens are not given, so we write 0. Hundreds is given as 2, so we write here 2. And thousands is given as 5. So our final answer is 5,203. Write down the value of 6 in the number 2,468. Again, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we can see here that 6 correlates to 10. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram and Scram.